Welcome to Crowded Market Report by Jason Shapiro.
Hello. Today is Tuesday, April 30th, 2024. I'm Jason Shapiro with Crowded Market Report. So today was, to say the least, not a very good day for asset prices across the board, right? You look at this. Basically, everything other than cocoa was down on the day. And some things pretty harsh. I mean, you're looking at a 4% drop in silver, 2.5% drop in gold, 1.5% drop in the S&P, more in the Russell, more in the NASDAQ. We had some news come out at the close where Amazon beat earnings and revenue estimates. And SMCI came out and adjusted their EPS expectations a lot higher. And that really did not help. Stocks went out on the lows anyway, even after that number came out. Those numbers came out. So clearly not a very good day. And this all started because we had some numbers that were not very good that came out this morning. They were inflationary, and at the same time, there were numbers that were less growthy. So it's like the opposite of Goldilocks, and arguably could be considered stagflationary, which nobody likes and no one's going to like. Okay, so we had all assets go down on that, including bonds. Right, no flight to quality there. Bonds went basically out on their lows as well. And in fairness, the assets that I have been long, which are the currencies, also down today. All right. Dollar up because yields up. So just not a very good day for risk at all. And it sets up for tomorrow when we have this FOMC, and we also have the Treasury going to announce their refunding expectations, which at this point, I don't think anybody thinks is going to be any good. And of course, I don't know how Powell and the gang are going to make any kind of dovish arguments at this point. They might try. We'll see how the market reacts to all this. Historically, the market reacts pretty well on FOMC day, but historically we're in a bull market. But let's see how it reacts to all this. I think that's what's important. Let's see how it reacts to the Treasury funding thing is going to be important. And let's see how it reacts to whatever Powell has to say. But certainly today, nothing was good. And I will point out again, at the risk of being somewhat repetitive, this is copper positioning. People are very long. We had a breakout and it failed. And I've said before, the chance of a breakout following through when everybody is super crowded long are definitely lower than had they not been super long. Silver, same thing. They're super long, right? It's finally breaking down. I mentioned on this day, this was a big news failure reversal day, and I didn't feel like silver would take out those highs for a while. It was holding pretty well, but now it is starting to break down, and gold right along with it, which was the same day sort of spike high type of day. So danger a little bit, Will Robinson. Not a time to be aggressively long assets here based on positioning, based on, market reactions right now. And, tomorrow should be a pretty big one. So let's see, how the news comes out, and more importantly, how the market reacts to that news. All right. So we'll talk again tomorrow. Please like the video if you can. Questions, comments, always welcome. Check us out on Substack. Check us out at crowdmarketreport.com. Thank you, and have a good day.
If you want more from Jason, subscribe to Crowded Market Report and get access to the CMR community, weekly reports, charts, and other exclusive content. Learn more at www.crowdedmarketreport.com.